everyone, do you love guacamole but looking to mix things up? Craving something creamy, fresh, and delicious but don't want to spend a ton of time in the kitchen? This avocado dip is your new go to. No blender, no fancy tools, just simple ingredients and big taste. First, we will need 2 ripe avocados. To check for ripeness, give it a gentle squeeze. If they feel slightly soft, they are good to go. Slice each one in half. Twist to separate, and then carefully remove the pit with a knife. Now take the avocado out of the shell. If they are perfectly ripe, it should come out easily. If it's a bit overripe, it will stick to the shell. Don't worry, just scoop it out gently. Now mash the avocado using a fork or a potato masher. Wherever you have at home works. For this recipe, you don't need any fancy tools. Mash your avocado to your preferred texture. Now I like to leave mine just a little bit chunky for that extra bite, but you can mash it really well for a smoother texture. Now at this point I will just keep mashing until I reach the texture that I like, which will take about 5 minutes. Do you even know that those are the only tools you will need? A fork or a potato masher and a bowl. The rest of the ingredients will be added to the bowl directly. Once you are done mashing, add your squeezed lemon. To that, add garlic, tahini, and yogurt. And don't forget a pinch of salt. Mix it really well just to make sure that all the flavors come together nicely. Lemon will give you a bit of tangy texture and prevents the avocado from browning. Now with some tahini, nutty, rich flavor, and yogurt for creaminess. Now imagine combining all these flavors together. It is magic. If you don't have yogurt, you can opt for Greek yogurt, but you will need more squeezed lemon. This recipe is really healthy, packed with flavor, and will be ready in no time. It's good for snacking, for meal prepping, or even hosting, so it will have you covered. Give it a taste test. I ended up adding 1 more tablespoon of tahini because I really like that nutty flavor. You will find all the ingredients listed in the description box. This avocado dip is creamy and full of flavor, and with some crackers on the side, it's going to be the perfect match. I'm going to transfer it to a nice serving plate now for a nicer presentation. Now when you serve this, drizzle of olive oil on top adds a beautiful finish and a touch of extra depth in flavor. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this easy avocado dip. If you did, you will definitely want to check out my beetroot dip next. It's another healthy favorite that is full of flavor. Don't forget to comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes every week here on Meals by Mary. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.